making announcements. You know, no senator is more important than the other.
Point of order.
Just before the point of order, DSP, I have one letter to read here. And looking at Senator Olalere, I don't know whether Abamura and all others have already joined us. I have to look for where they are sitting, because it's my great privilege to make sure that this side is empty so that we can start spreading. So I look forward to that. So this is addressed to the President of the Senate, the distinguished President of the Senate. Notice of defection from the Action Democratic Party. Is this not ADC? They've already started defecting, eh? Okay, so this is the Action Democratic Party. This one ADP. But well, it's almost the same thing. To the All Progressives Congress, APC, effective immediately. I'm reading from what is here. Effective immediately. I'm not the one who wrote the language. This decision follows extensive consultations with my constituents, my political associates, and my stakeholders, and is informed by the need to align with a political platform that best reflects my commitment to good governance, inclusive development, and overall interests of the good people of my senatorial district that I represent. My defection is also necessitated by irreconcilable differences and persistent internal wrangling within the Action Democratic Party, which altogether have hindered my ability to effectively contribute to the party's ideals and to deliver quality representation to my constituents. I am confident that the All Progressives Congress provides a more stable, a more progressive platform through which I can continue to serve my constituency and the nation with renewed focus and dedication. Kindly accept this letter as my formal notification in line with the provisions of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and please accept me into the fold of the APC, and also accept the assurances of my highest regards. Yours faithfully, Senator Prince Pam Macron Dachungwa, JP, Plateau North Senatorial District. Leader of the Senate, colleagues in the APC, I welcome you. I congratulate you for seeing the light and the need to belong to the party of the future. DSP, welcome your latest member. DSP, welcome your latest member.